A little over a month ago, somebody asked me who was looking to break out into the bar industry if they could become a bartender, but skip being a barback first. I mean, you could, but you would fucking suck. You have to know what it's like to support others. Go through the process of learning prep, how to stock, and the art of anticipation. Because if we're being honest, barbacks are the unsung heroes of the bar. Without them, we'd fucking drown. Great barbacks eventually become great bartenders. So become so great they can't ignore you. One day, if you're unfortunate enough to own your own bar, the day the barback calls out will be your favorite day of the week. So, enjoy the process. Don't rush that shit.